Okay, I've already opened up a new file. So again, you do that by going up here, clicking there, and you can just click on new and it'll get you to this point here. So I'm going to go ahead. We are going to now uh, make puzzle piece 3, which is this piece here. And you can see this one's got a little more to it in terms of cutting things away. So we'll get it all figured out here. So let me go ahead and set that down. I'm gonna get rid of myself here. And as you know, we start out with our rectangle. Oh no, no. We start out by getting rid of Yahoo. Then we go ahead and start with the rectangle tool. And I'm going to go ahead, drag it this way, and it needs to be 5, comma 1.25. Enter. Again, it is very small. So I think I figured out, or I learned how to get these tools back. Let me try it now that I've first let's zoom extends. And then now rotate it. And I'm going to zoom it out a little bit. And maybe rotate it again just a little. And now I'm going to try and see if I can get my tools back down there. Oh, look at there, D-Man. Google is an amazing thing, isn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that now. So here we go. I'm going to go here to the push-pull. And I think everybody knows that this needs to come up 1.25. And now we're going to have to zoom this out a little bit. And I'm going to move the object. Okay, now we're going to need to go ahead and start removing some sections here. So I'm going to start out by going to the rectangle tool. And I think what I'm going to do is start by drawing a rectangle starting here and going this direction. We're going to go 1 and 7/8, so 1 space bar 7\8. I could have done something different, and then also 1.25, 1.25. Enter. I have a phone call, so let me pause this. Oh, rats. It's not letting me. Alt-T. Pause. Okay, sorry about that interruption, but gotta do what I gotta do. So, anyhow, now we'll continue on with a rectangle going from this point. Then I'm going to go across and up, and we're going to make that 1.25 by 1.25. Enter. And now we're going to go over here, get this push-pull tool. And I'm going to click on that. And we're going to just push this. And again, we are needing to remove half of that. which half of 1 1/4 is 5/8. So we need to go ahead and if we do it in decimal form, that number 5/8 is 0.625, and enter, and now we have that. Now I'm going to go ahead and rotate this a little bit. Okay, and we're going to need to again start laying out some other rectangles so we can get rectangles that we actually need to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on the rectangle tool, and we're going to start this one on this end point here. So I'm going to click there and I'm going to drag this way. You should see a blue rectangle start, and we need to make this 1 1/4, so 1.25 by 1.25, and I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Now I'm going to go over here and we're going to do the exact same thing starting here on this end point, but we're going to go this direction. And again, 1.25 by 1.25. Now I can use those as reference points. So we will now need to, because we have to remove part of this because we have to create like a tongue here, so to speak. So now we're going to recreate or create another rectangle. So I'm going to start at this point, and I'm just going to drag over to this point and click there, and it should be locked into the dimensions we need. And I'm going to do the same, start at this end point and come to this end point. And again, it's what we need. Now we can do the push-pull. And I'm going to go ahead, and we need to push this down half of 1 1/4, which is, again, it's 5/8, 0.625, enter. And we do the same over here, 0.625, and enter. And that is what we need for our piece. So go ahead and save that, and we'll get you back here for the next one after that. Okay, we're saving it as a 3D puzzle piece 3, and you know where to put it. I'm going to go ahead and stop this.